Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys have a good 4th of July. Um, most of the East Coast see general thunderstorms, but in the green marginal area, some of those storms can be slow movers that can produce high winds, especially down in the Carolinas. Let's take a look at the actual model data. This is the HRRR model, and we'll play this loop. You can see in the afternoon right there, the storms start coming from the southeast. Here, this is this morning, this afternoon, this evening, all the way up through tonight. Here comes the loop again this morning. This afternoon, you see them firing up, and through this evening. So most of your morning activities like parades and stuff should be fine, but as you get up into about, let me check the time here. Alright, this is 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11, noon, 4th of July, 1 o'clock, you start seeing the sails start to form. 2, 3, 4, 5, more numerous up into the evening. And then as we get towards firework time, we're 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Most of West Virginia may be okay. Still a lot of storms coming up through Virginia. Here's 9 o'clock. So it's just like before. You take, for example, my house, the last 2 days, I haven't received any rain, but yet it has stormed both days. I could even hear thunder just a few miles from my house. So not everybody will get rain every day. Not everybody will get rain today. Some of you may get lucky and not get any. But the potential is there every day for the next few days to get storms. So I hope